Today we'll talk about how can you disable views on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down. You go down, click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So you go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on threads and replace, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just go down, you keep going down here. You come here to views, you come to off here, click here in this sign. So like you see here, views enable disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.